हेलो गाइस, नमस्कार। स्वागत है आपका ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कोड यूट्यूब चैनल में। दिस इज योर फ्रेंड एंड इंस्ट्रक्टर अभिषेक. So from this video I am going to start teaching you new programming language, that is Java. So guys, let's discuss the agenda for this video. So agenda for this video. So before हम स्टार्ट करें प्रोग्रामिंग एक्चुअल प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिस को, वी हैव टू इंस्टॉल सम इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स टू रन द जावा कोड. सो हमें दो चीज़ बेसिकली इंस्टॉल करने पड़ेंगे. फर्स्ट इज जेडीके, दैट इज नथिंग बट जावा जावा डेवलपमेंट kit, Java development kit, and second we will install VS Code. So guys, JDK is important to download, but VS Code important नहीं है, because VS Code is IDE है जो जिसका अल्टरनेटिव्स होता है. हम नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट एडिटर भी यूज करके प्रोग्राम रन कर सकते हैं. बट हम जब टेक्स्ट एडिटर यूज करते हैं तो हमें नॉर्मल टर्मिनल्स पे अपने कोड को करना पड़ता है. बट अगर हम कुछ चेंजेस करते हैं कोड के अंदर तो फिर से आके हमें टर्मिनल के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा एंड वी हैव टू रन कोड अगेन एंड अगेन. बट वीएस कोड यूज करके हमारा फायदा क्या है कि हम कोड को वहीं पे लिखते हैं और वहीं पे हम उसको रन कर सकते हैं, और हम कुछ भी चेंजेस करते हैं तो हमें एक्चुअली फास्ट आउटपुट देखने को मिलता है. तो हम इसको आगे देखेंगे कि क्या इसका प्रॉफिट, क्या इसका इम्पोर्टेंस एंड कितना हमें एफिशिएंसी इसको देगा. So guys, let's go and start downloading these two things, JDK and VS Code. To install JDK, open your Chrome and search JDK download. JDK download like this. Now click on this Oracle link. This first Oracle link, that is Java downloads. And we can see that here JDK21 and JDK17 version is available to download. But we will download JDK17 version because it is stable version. So if you are Linux or OS users, then you can download from these links. But since I'm the Windows user, so I will download from the Windows option. Now, for the Windows user, you guys have to download x64 installer. You guys have to just click on this link. Now, as you can see, the downloading has been started and it will take some time according to your internet speed. So we will wait till it get fully downloaded. Now you can see it has fully downloaded. Now open your file explorer and just so we will open our file explorer and we will go to downloads and just double click on this link which we just downloaded. Now it will ask for the permission to make a changes in device. You guys have to just click on yes. Now for the next step, just click on next. Now if you want to change your installation directory, then you can change, but my suggestion will be it should be like this only, like C programming files and Java JDK17. Now just click on next and it will take some time to check your status and everything. So just we will wait for some seconds. After this, you can see our JDK is fully downloaded. Now just click on the close button. Now we are done with the installation of JDK. Now we have to download the second important thing, that is VS Code. So installation process of VS Code is already available now on our YouTube channel. You can watch that video and I will add a link of that video in the description. Yes. After downloading the VS Code, if you open your VS Code, you will get the this window. Like now, that means that your VS Code is completely installed in your system. To check whether the Java is that JDK is installed in your system or not, you have to click on the terminal and then new terminal, right? So it will open a new terminal for us. Now you have to write Java space hyphen hyphen version. Now you will get the latest version of the Java which is currently been installed. So if you did not get this thing, then what you have to do, you have to search edit this system environment variable, this one, and just double click on it. And now you have to do environment variable. You have to click on the environment variables, right? So now in the system variables, you have to click on the path now, and the next is new, and just set the variable name as path. And for the variable value, you have to open your file explorer. Sorry, in the C, you have to open your program files. Inside program files, you have to search for the Java. Here is that, and JDK17. Now you have to go till bin, and you have to copy this path, right? And now you have to put over here. Just click on OK, and you will get everything resolved. Your error will get resolved. Thank you for watching the video till end, and in the next video we will start with the actual Java concept tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and you can follow our Instagram and LinkedIn and WhatsApp group to get the free notes and many more things.